Fourth video, I will be discussing how you can uh, use if conditions in Python. If condition is basically a decision making block which you can use to decide about certain variables, and based upon them you make certain decisions. So it is really necessary in the longer run when you are creating complex apps. So you have to uh, have a good command in on the decision making in Python. So this is really simple. Let's suppose if you are comparing two variables, and based upon them you want to see that for example, if both of these values are true, so what should happen? And it's if A and B, both of them are true, then you are going to print both are true, else one of them is false. So if you run this and see on the screen, you will see both of them are true. But if you make any of them false, so you will have like this, one of them is false. So how you can do multiple decisions on this? Let's suppose you want to make a comparison script, there are two numbers and you want to say if A is greater than B, then print A is greater than B. Then let's suppose if A is less than B, then less than B. And last, if nothing of them fulfills, then you just display none, right? So A is for sure less than B, but if we switch that, we will have a different result on the screen like this, that A is greater than B, right? Decision making is really important, and you should know that if you are working on the decision making, so all of these blocks should execute properly. Because if you have made any mistake in executing the logic properly, so it won't work like this. So you have to be careful in deciding the conditions, that what should be happening in order, and if nothing happens, then you have to print this command. So let's just create simple program which checks the user, and if it's over 18 years, then it is allowed to enter the application. If the user is below 18 years, so it is asked about registering to that application in the kids section. So how we can create this app? I will just say age, import enter age, and as usual pass this age to the integer. And after that, what you can do is we will say if age is greater than 18, then say you are eligible for the application. Else if age is less than 18, then ask the user about the registration process. And we are going to redirect them to the kids section. So we will say username, and then password, and then we will like just print out like welcome. Okay, and I'm just going to like so if you run this application and just say like 19, so it will say you are eligible for the application. And if you say like your age is 12, so it will say redirect it to kids section, the username and the password. So this is how you can use the if else statement in Python. Hopefully you have covered the basic idea of this decision making. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I will answer you in the next video. Thank you.